Hello friends, welcome to my channel Science for Agri Course.
Friends, this is the fourth daily quiz. This test will be helpful for all those students who are preparing for ICAR JRF examinations and State Agricultural University entrance examinations and National Seeds Corporation trainee, senior trainee, management trainee and trainee mate examinations. First I will show you the questions and at the end the answers will be displayed for each question. So now let's discuss the answers. Vertical mulching is practiced in black soils. Universally deficient macronutrients in drylands is nitrogen. Soil crusting is common problem in red soils. IGFRI is located at Jhansi. Wrapping and propping is practiced in the crop sugarcane. Subjecting the seed against hard surface to soften the hard seed coat is called scarification. The source of the gene responsible for dwarfness in wheat is Norrington and Thom. An example of man-made cereal is triticale. Vasiform orifice is the characteristic feature of the family Allurodidae. The number of plants to be observed for completing a single count in rice crop is 1000. First Bajra hybrid in India was released in 1965. The power to grant certificate by certification agency is provided in section 6. Sunflower is a day neutral plant. Blossom end rot in tomato is due to the deficiency of calcium. Krebs cycle occurs in mitochondria.
If you find the video to be useful, like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel Science for Agri Course for more useful content. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook.